Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to find winning products for TikTok Shop affiliate. So let's get started. So here we are in TikTok, and if you're wondering on how you can find a winning product, if it's by browsing through the endless products on the TikTok shop and finding the products based on your instincts or so on, or maybe going to YouTube and then finding YouTubers saying that they are selling the best winning product and that you should sell that too. I don't think that any of those methods work because I have tried that and it doesn't really work for me. What worked for me is that you can use Calodata right here. So it's calodata.com, and you can use this app because from here you would get massive information about the products right here that you can sell as a TikTok shop affiliate. You can even go for the creators right here, the competitors that you have, brand strategy, hot videos, hot lives, trending products, and so on. The information that you will get is literally massive right here. You can get any information that you'd want. So let's say that you are finding your winning products as a TikTok shop affiliate. So I suggest that you go here to affiliate creators so that you would be able to see here the products that the affiliates here in TikTok are selling. And from here, you can search the category name. You can go for sports. Let's say your niche is sports, for example. So you want to click here. And then from here, you want to click on get the answer. And then from here, Calodata would provide you the creators right here that are doing well in this niche. And then from here, you can see their best selling products right here. So for example, on this particular person or creator, I'm going to click on this one on the #1 spot. And then from here, you can see all of the followers, the debut time, the last 30 days products, and so on, the items sold, live revenue, video revenue, and so on. And you can even see more of its data right here, but you would have to upgrade your plan. So when you click here on upgrade, this is the price right here. And I assure you, the price here is very worth it. You would be getting more out of this investment right here. And as you can see right here, you would be able to see the products right here that are doing really well. So you can have an idea on what product to sell, because this creator right here is on the top one of this niche as an affiliate. And then from here, you can see their videos right here. So for example, on this one right here, so let me just mute this right here. So on this one, I'm going to view this video, and then you can see it right here. And then what you can do is that you can download this video, or you could export it as a script. So you can use the script on this video if there is any dialogue in it. So yeah, you can just use this right here. And basically you can even go more in depth with that. When you click on this right here, you would have more information about that video. And you can even go to the TikTok video link itself right here. As you can see, this would be the video right here in TikTok. So you could even do that right here, and you can see more insights about this video on how it has performed, how many sales, revenue, followers, and so on right here. So maybe you can learn from the style of this video right here, and you should incorporate it into your content creation. So that is the Calodata right here. And now let's go back right here, and we're gonna go to explore. And from here, we are just gonna go for the trending products right here. So what products are making money right now? So you can also do this. And then from here, you can go for sports again. Let's say this is your niche, and you can get the answer and blah, blah, blah. So now let's go here, and then you can see all the products right here that is doing well in the sports niche. And as you can see, you have the drinkware, the socks right here, the shoes, and so on. So this is a really great one right here. So I recommend, instead of just browsing on random products on the TikTok shop and maybe searching for winning products on the YouTube channel, I suggest that you just browse here in Calodata instead, because you would be getting more truthful information here in Calodata, and you can make your research better. So let's say you are interested in this product, you can click on the product right here, and from here you will be able to see all of its data right here. But of course, you would need to upgrade for this one right here and invest your money in this platform. But basically, you would be getting heaps of information here, and if you just know how to use this information, you would be getting the winning products that you have so desired. So as you can see, I have now 0 visits remaining right here. I have to upgrade my account in order for me to view these data right here. But I think I've made my point here with Calodata. I have shown you on how much information this can give you in finding the winning products. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.